In this video, I'm going to show you how to simply delete recent FaceTime call history on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your FaceTime application, and there you got the list of all your recent calls. And now let me show you how to simply remove that history. So now, if you want to remove just one call, you can make a swipe to the left and it gives you delete option. Just hit on it, hit add delete link, and that call was deleted. So in the same way you can delete any single call from here, or you can hit add edit and check mark some different calls from here. You can select any calls that you want, or even both calls, and after that you can just hit add delete to delete selected calls. Hit add delete, and that's it. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.